Do you know that self-taught riders have higher risk of crashing and getting hurt? Like if you're just starting dirt biking or getting back into it and trying to figure out everything on your own, researching videos and riding tips, trying to get as much seat time as possible to teach yourself. I get why you're doing it. It's the path that I took because I had lots of time, but after spending years of trying to figure out the right and wrong techniques, I learned that just trying to figure it out on your own, you're more likely to form bad habits when it comes to your body position, your riding technique, and this will make it more likely for you to crash because you don't have as much traction. You'll get exhausted quicker. It's going to take years to build up your confidence so that you can enjoy single track trails. It's like putting a 16-year-old in the driver's seat of a car that's never driven one before and just telling them, oh, go ahead, figure it out on your own. They'll probably be able to figure out how to put it in drive and hit the gas and use the brakes and turn the steering wheel. They're not going to know all the little ins and outs of driving on the road, cornering, and being aware of road conditions, surfaces, gravel in the intersections, paying attention to drivers around you, your blind spots, all the little things that you learn in driving school when you pay an instructor to teach you how to drive. If you do have unlimited time and you're not worried about crashing and getting hurt, yeah, you can figure it out on your own, but it's going to take a lot longer and you might struggle a lot more to ride with control, especially when you're trying to increase your skill level and speed. If you're trying to watch videos on YouTube and then copy what they do, but then when you go to the trail, it's hard to implement or feels like it takes a long time to actually do those techniques. So do you want to keep struggling for years to come, trying to figure out on your own, not really sure what's right or what's wrong? Or would you rather pay for a professional that can show you the right techniques, point out the mistakes that you're making, get direct feedback, because sometimes what you think you're doing is not what you're actually doing when you're trying to copy the right technique. Like when you're trying to ride in the proper standing position while riding on the pegs, and you think what you're doing is what the video told you to do, but it still feels awkward. Well, you're probably not using every part of your body in the right position. And when you invest in a coach that can point out that simple mistake in a matter of seconds, you can fix that and build up your confidence in months rather than years. And if you do want to become a confident trail rider this year, then you should download my free basic techniques guide. It's a free PDF that you can download at motocrosshideout.com/basic, or you can click the link in the description below and you'll get on my email list to know when I am offering a discount on my virtual dirt biker school, where you can get one-on-one personalized coaching that will help you specifically. I'm Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout, and I want you to be a safe, confident, efficient trail rider so that you can enjoy it for many years to come while reducing your risk of crashing and getting hurt.